Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech and Tips with King. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can run Windows XP with internet in your Android phone using Limbo PC Emulator application. So without any wasting of time, let's get into the video. In this video, I am going to show how you can run Windows XP in your Android with using Limbo PC Emulator application. So there are a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. In that videos, I have shown the different versions of the Windows, like the Windows XP, the Windows Vista, Windows 7, the Windows 1, the Windows 7 and the Windows 11 as well, the latest version of the Windows. And I have also shown the Windows XP with the professional, the Windows XP which can install the PC softwares, and this is the another version of the Windows XP. In this Windows XP you can use internet. So basically this is the fully working Windows XP you can run in your Android. The main motto of my YouTube channel is to show you how you can make your Android phone into PC, and if you don't have PC, if you want to get the experience of the PC, you can use this method. To run Windows XP in your Android, you need an application called Limbo PC Emulator. So basically Limbo PC Emulator is an emulator application. While using this emulator application, you can run any type of OS like the Windows, Mac OS, the Linux, the different types of version, Android as well. So in my upcoming video, try to show how you can do that. So if you want to run Windows XP, first of all you have to download and install the Limbo PC Emulator application. The downloading in the description. And second thing, you have to download the Windows XP file. As you can see in the screen, it will be approx 600 GB, and it will be this will be the Windows XP.q core2. So make sure to download this file and keep it in the internal storage of your Android phone. So as you can see in the screen, this is the internal storage of my Android phone, and this is the file. You have to download it and keep it in the internal storage of your Android phone. So let's start the procedure how you can run Windows XP in your Android. Make sure you have connected with the internet. You have to open the Limbo PC Emulator application. So this is the basically very easy interface to understand. Everyone can understand and everyone can do this very easily. You did not require any PC. Just download the emulator application and download the Windows file to run in Limbo PC Emulator application. So first of all, you have to click on the none. So I have already created the Windows XP file. If you're new to here, you have to just click to Windows XP and just click to create. So I've already created machine, so let me just show you. Let me just click on the Windows XP. So first of all, you have to skip this user interface. You don't need to do any settings over here. You have to get into the board and you have to select the CPU. I'm selecting Cordio, and if you want to get the 64-bit version of the Windows processor, you can. If you want to get a 64-bit processor, you can select the Sandy bit. And there are a lot of other 64-bit processors over there you can select, but for this Windows XP I'm selecting Cordio. This is the 32-bit, and CPU cores you have to select 4, and you have to select RAM. I'm selecting about 1576. As you can see in the screen, this is the RAM I'm selecting. RAM will depend on your smartphone specifications. If you're having a high-end RAM, you can select the high RAM. If you're having the low RAM, you can use the low RAM. And you have to click on the enable MTTCG, and you have to uncheck disable TSC. So this is the settings you have to do in the board. You have to scroll down, you have to get into the disk, you have to click on the disk A, you have to click on the open, and you can open the Windows file. As you can see here, like this is the Windows file you have to open in the disk. You have to scroll down as I mentioned earlier. So this Limbo PC Emulator going to connect internet, so we are also going to also select the internet card. So after boot, selecting the disk, you have to get into the boot. You have to select boot from hard disk, so it will going to detect the file from the hard disk and going to boot. You have to get into the graphics, you have to click on the video display, you have to click on the Cyrus, and you have to scroll down. You have to get into the audio. In audio, you have to select the sound card all, and you have to get into the network. You have to click on the, so as I mentioned earlier, this Windows XP going to support internet, so I'm going to select the select the network card. So let me just click on the user, and in you have to keep the network card default. So we have done all the settings in the Limbo PC Emulator. So before booting up, so let me just turn on the screen rotation, turn the Android phone, so you can get the better view for the better understanding. So let me just set up the camera and come back again. So you can see in the screen, this is all the settings we have done. This is the Limbo PC Emulator application. After doing all the settings, make sure you have connected with the internet, it's mobile data or Wi-Fi. So you have to click on the play button. After clicking play button, so you can see in the screen the hard disk has been detected and the Windows also detected. So Limbo PC Emulator application going to boot, and as you can see, this is the booting screen, and you can see in the screen this is the Microsoft Windows XP booting up over here. It will going to take some time, so let me just fast forward this video and come back after the Windows XP fully booted in my Android phone. So you can see in the screen, it will asking me to click on the Control Alt delete together. So let me just click to enable the keyboard, and here I am going to click on the Control Alt delete button together. So just now I've clicked the button. So again here it will going to ask you the password, so you have to insert the password. So I'm showing the password on the screen. As you can see, this is the password showing up in the screen. You have to insert that password. So I have inserted the password. So let me just click on the OK after inserting the password. So after inserting the password, the Windows XP will going to boot. So this is the basically login in Windows screen. Here you have to insert the password. The password is mentioned on the screen, as you can see in the screen. After inserting password, the Windows will going to boot. Here it too again you have to wait. Finally, the Windows XP has been successfully booted in my Android phone with using Limbo PC Emulator application. You can see in the screen, this is the Limbo PC Emulator and this is the Windows XP. So the sound is coming but a bit laggy. So let me just so you can adjust the volume from here. Let me just decrease the volume. Let me just click to OK. So can see in the screen, finally the Windows XP has been successfully booted, and you can it will taken some moments to like 2 to 3 minutes to fully boot it in my Android phone. It will all depend on your smartphone specifications how much time it will going to take. So the volume rocker buttons are to use like a mouse. The volume down button to get more options like this, as you can see in the screen. Let me just click on the refresh. And the very good thing of this Windows XP is this Windows XP is in the English language, and the internet is supported, and as you can see on the screen, the found new hardware. So it will getting ready the drivers, and you can see in the screen, if you know about the Windows XP you will understand this. It supported all the drivers, sound drivers, display drivers, and the internet drivers as well. So again let me just click to refresh. So you can see the processing speed and the booting speed of this Windows XP. This is the all the features start button. So when I click on the all programs, it's have some accessories, basic system tools, and will have preloaded Internet Explorer. Everyone know about the Internet Explorer. It will not going to work. It's not working perfectly, but still I'm going to show you to while opening it the internet is working or not, the browsing is the internet supported it not, the browsing is happening or not. So let me just click on the Internet Explorer to show you the internet is working or not. So you can see the speed of the processing for opening the software. It just in few moments it's have open. So let me just type the Google search engine in the search bar. So here is the google.com. So let me just click on it, and let's see how much time it will take to load the Google search. As you can see in the screen, within few seconds it have loaded the Google search engine page. So let me just search anything in this. Mostly people don't prefer to use Internet Explorer because this, and you can install any other browser like Chrome, Firefox, but this Windows does not have it. But soon you can install it. Soon I'm going to make a video on how you can install other softwares in this Windows XP, and you can install other softwares like Chrome, Firefox, and any other. So as you can see, this is the internet perfectly working over here. Just now search. So let me just minimize the screen and open the file manager to show you the storage. So we can install a lot of PC softwares in it. So as you can see in the screen, this is the C drive, and it will have approx 255 GB. So you can install a lot of PC softwares in this Windows XP. Soon I'm going to make a video on how you can install any PC software in this Windows XP, and you can see the processing speed. It will perfectly working. So let me just open the properties of this PC to show you the properties of this PC, Windows XP, in the Limbo PC Emulator application. Then we have already seen the Windows it's perfectly working, and as you can see in the screen, this is the Microsoft Windows Fundamental for Legacy PCs version 2006 Server Pack 2, and we have selected the Intel Core Duo processor. It will showing up here, and the RAM 1500 of BF RAM. So this is all the details of the Windows XP we have selected in the Limbo PC Emulator application. If you want to use your Android, just exit the screen, and you can use the Android. And again, if you want to use, you can just open the Limbo PC Emulator. It will continue from there only. If you want to enable the mouse, just click on this. So you can see in the screen, this is the mouse has been enabled. So finally, this is the Windows XP perfectly working in Android. So this video is just for the introduction of this Windows XP and for the demo how you can run Windows XP in Android with using Limbo PC Emulator. Soon I'm going to make a video on how you can install any PC software and how you can make your Android fully a Windows XP machine. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. If any question or problem, let me know in the comments. Thank you.